welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and it's from Daniel Wellington new Quadro collection along with some new accessories as well. I'll be inserting the discount code for you guys to use as well for those of you that are interested. If not, let's get right into it. So let's start the unboxing. This is the Quadro watch in their Daniel Wellington packaging as per normal. So when you open it up, ta-da! It looks like this. This is the one that I picked up. It's Quadro in Melrose color with green dial. It's really pretty. I'll show you guys a close-up. It looks really different and it's the only green dial watch I have with Daniel Wellington. The usual one that I picked up is the one in black color, white dial surface and stuff like that. So I thought it looked really nice, and the design style kind of like blew me away. It's literally like the new classic. So yeah, let's get right into the detail and I'll show you guys how it looks like when I wear it as well. So that's the box it comes with, and this is how it looks like. This is their Quadro press Melrose watch. You can see the design is very dainty and cute. I picked it up in the color of the green dial. You have the choice to choose it between white, black or this green color. I thought this green color is really unique and pretty. And the gold Melrose is stainless steel, so yeah, you can adjust it based on your wrist size, which is great and is very easily adjustable. So that's the strap and how it looks like. Very nice material, and yeah, I'll show you guys the back here as well. So it comes with this series number. It's very small and dainty and cute, very different from the usual round design. I just love like how different it feels. This is how it looks like when I wear them on. It fits nicely since it's adjustable and just matches well with everything. Short sleeve, long sleeve, and yeah, it looks really nice. The green dial really makes the gold mesh pops up so well. Thus, I'm very happy with my green dial choice. So yeah. So other than a new watch design, they also come out with new straps as well. So I picked up one. I'm sure you guys cannot guess the color I picked up because it's so different from what I usually pick. But I wanted something different, so ta-da! This is the black mesh. I thought it looked nice with the green dial that I picked up and showed you guys earlier. It's a completely contrasting color away from like the gold mesh that I have earlier. So I think it will look nice in different events and give off like a different feel. I really love the material. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like close up so you guys can get what I'm talking about when I'm talking about like the material and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the straps that I gotten. They are accessories. So you can change the straps into like different color, which is nice. So it's like buying a watch with an extra straps, so the watch looks different. It's like buying two watch for the price of one. And yeah, I chose the one in black color. The material is stainless steel as well. Very pretty adjustable straps. And it comes in this box where you can keep them nicely. So I'll show you guys the difference. So this is the gold one. And that's the black mesh one. Both are really pretty, completely different views, but still really nice nevertheless. So yeah, which one do you guys prefer more? The black mesh or the gold one? Lastly, I also picked up their aspiration necklace. I actually gotten like both color, white and black previously, but I kind of like got tangled up when I have no idea how to untangle it. So I gotten one again in white color. So this is how it looks like when I wear them on. It's really cute and I love it because it matches so well with all the pale colors that I like to wear and just super adorable. So it comes in this box for those of you that are curious. And yeah, I will show you guys the tangle up one right now. Hold on for like 5 seconds. So this is what I'm talking about. I literally make a mess and everything got tangled up. So I have no idea how to untangle it at all. So yeah. And yeah, let me show you guys. So this is how it looks like. It's super adorable and I just love how it matches so well with all different clothing. And yeah, we have their aspiration necklace, which I was telling you about earlier, and that's how it looks like. The white dial with gold color with Daniel Wellington written here. It's really one of my favorite. I really love wearing it. So yeah, I think I show you guys how I look like when I wear them on already. So I really love it. So thank you for watching it till the end.